Amal Clooney slips into shimmery metallic pumps at the boys in the boat, screening with George Clooney. Amal Clooney looked stylish as ever on the arm of husband George Clooney at a screening of his new film, The Boys in the Boat in Seattle, Washington last night. The human rights lawyer embraced the holiday season in a festive red dress decorated with flashy palettes throughout. She styled the solulous mid-dress with silver metallic pumps featuring a classic pointed to silhouette for the occasion. Amal Clooney accessorized with a boxy gold mirrored clutch and dangly diamond earrings. Meanwhile, the Ocean's 11 star looked draper in a navy blue turtleneck sweater themed with a grey coat on top and coordinating trousers. On foot, the actor turned filmmaker sported a pair of classic black men's dress shoes featuring a uh, up design and a slight platform sole. The couple who wed in 2014 and welcomed twins 3 years later have had a busy week. On Sunday, the dynamic duo attended the UK premiere of The Boys in the Boat, which Clooney directed in London. The Lebanese British barrister wore a cropped black velvet strapless corset top with matching trousers and sleek black pumps. The following night, the humanitarian 45 made a solo appearance at the 2023 Fashion Awards at Royal Albert Hall, where she showed off a dramatic gown adorned with gold sequins and shimmery .22 pumps in the same hue. Over the years since stepping into the public eye, Amal Clooney has displayed her fashion processes on and off the red carpet time and again. When it comes to shoes, she can often be seen wearing pumps from top luxury brands such as Dion Vito, Rossi, Roger Vivier, Jimmy Choo, Aquazora, and Prada. Thanks for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.